Good morning, guys, from the Cusco in Peru. For today we have in plan to visit Cusco. Cusco is very beautiful town and is separated for part of culture, Incas, pre-Incas, and two more.
San Francisco, okay? In the whole downtown we had 18 colonial churches, okay? That's why everywhere you will go, one church you will visit, okay? You will pass, okay? And also many of the colors are more blue, white, sometimes yellow. And so these are more like a colors that was used in European cities. So the Spanish, they try to recreate European cities in this continent to don't feel homesick in those times. In Inca times, the Inca buildings, the colors were more dark color, like a red, reddish, blackish, brownish, etc. No? These colors were used more in the Inca times. Okay, so colonial buildings. Okay, all these colonial buildings that you see in the downtown, they were restored. The last time they were restored was in the 1950. Okay. Around 1.70 to 2 meters. The is almost original, better than the one with smaller blocks. That's why it's almost intact. Okay, but inside the interior is 100% colonial. Okay, you see the arches, the columns, balconies, but no Inca. Only outside remains Inca. Okay. The symbol of the Inca architecture, the Inca skills, the Inca perfection. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 apples. The other one we have 5, 6, but in 12. So here we see all the skills, how they are used. The stone, according to studies, the heaviest stone, 7 tons and almost 2 meters large. Okay, this one. Okay?
2 meters?
2 meters, 2 meters large on the other side. Okay, and also in many of these, with the big block, we're gonna see a smaller stones. These ones, smaller, they were like a billiard ball, no? Billiard ball. You know billiard ball.
Yeah.
Because when they're shaking, so they move. So they move. So they're not rigid. So they're not static. So they move a little. So they concentrate. So they move.
Okay.
See, that's how it works. This one in the lower. Okay. So the stone is going.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and have notifications, and we will see you in the next one.